Manage service promise and service marketing communication. This is from the third unit. Service promises and service marketing communication. In manufacturing physical goods, the department that takes promises and those that deliver them can operate independently. But in case of services, however, the sales and marketing department make promises about what other employees in the organization will fulfill. Because what employees cannot be standardized, like physical goods produced mechanically, greater coordination and management of the promises are required in case of services. Successful service advertising and personal selling become the responsibility of both marketing and operation. The unique feature, intangibility of the services, make services advertising different and difficult from the product advertising. The intangible nature of services create lot of problem for consumer, both before and after purchase. How to address intangibility? There are some provisions. Mittal 1919 has suggested service advertising strategies to overcome the challenges posed by the intangible nature of services. Make some provisions that is given in this table. In this way, the impact of intangibility can be reduced and services can be tangibilized for the advertising. The property of intangibility, this is given here: incorporeal existence, generality, abstractness, non-searchability, impalpability. Advertising strategy, respectively, physical representation, make the message claim specific, like system documentation, performance documentation, and service performance episodes. The incorporeal existence, physical presentation as an advertising strategy. So physical component of service that are unique, indicate high quality and create the right association with the consumers. Objectively document physical system capacity by showing fact and the figures. Document and cite past positive performance statistics. Present a vivid, a clear story of an actual service delivery incident that relate the important service attribute. Abstractness. Advertising strategy, the service consumption episode, capture and display the typical customer benefiting from the service, evoking particular incidents. Non-searchability, respective advertising strategy, the performance documentation, consumption documentation, and description of that site in independently audited performance, obtain and the present customer testimonials. Impalpability, the advertising strategy here, the service process episode, the case history episode, etc. Present a vivid document on the step-by-step service process. Present an actual case history of what the firm did for the specific client and the customers. These are attempts to minimize the impact of intangibility regarding the advertising. Because if anything is not seen, unseen, it is hard to make it visible, make it tangible. There are a number of approaches suggested by the Mittal, and this is mentioned in this table. Service marketers have developed a following guidelines for the service advertising effectiveness. Among those, the first one is use narrative to demonstrate the service experience. Present vivid informations, use interactive imagery, focus on tangibles, feature service employees in communications, promise what is possible only. Encourage word of mouth communication, feature service customers, use transformational advertising. Manage customer expectations. Many service firms find themselves in the position of having to tell customer that services previously provided will be discontinued or available only at a higher price. Here are 4 strategies for a service firm to gracefully give the customers news about what to expect. One way to reset expectation is to give the customer options for any aspect of services that are meaningful, such as time and cost. With the choice, client can select that aspect of trade-off, time and money, that is most meaningful to them. Making the choice solidifies the client's expectation of service. The product companies are accustomed to offering different versions of their product with price commensurate with the value customers perceives. This type of